ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायणाय. Namaste, good evening, dear friends and viewers. Welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, Astral Science. So, August 1st we have the classes. Those who are interested to learn astrology can join. Almost 12,000 students have learned this. Not 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not the first time I am conducting the class. Almost from 2016, if you can precisely be 2016 February onwards, I started my teaching journey in astrology. From then onwards till date, there are 86 batches which has been completing. The 86th is ongoing. More than 12,000 plus out of the 86 students have been learned this astrology and using this astral science and finding good way for their day-to-day problems or their life struggles. I am trying for the first time to teach in English. Those who want to learn this subject will not be able to understand or know Kannada language. I wanted to get into the more non-Kannada segment so that everybody will get benefited about this subject. So people who are viewing me for the first time might have little bit of a jig that okay, I am seeing this for this person for the first time. In 15 days, is it possible? So that is the reason I am giving you one sort of a confidence that my entire 4 to 5 years I have spent in teaching this astral science. And 15 days is the course which I teach basically on Nakshatra Nadi principle, where first 6 to 7 days I will be teaching them about the basic of astrology. And people who will be looking forward also will have a doubt, can we learn this astrology in 15 days? I have made it possible with 25 plus years of experience, with more than 50,000 horoscope analysis and with the modalities of Parashara system. So finally, after understanding the various astrological systems, I learnt Parashara for almost which I will be still learning. So learning is not a end, there is no end for it. Always we keep on learning new things. For almost 18 years, 17 to 18 years, I spent a lot of time in this Parashara system, Hora system, where everybody use that system. Like they tell about the Sarpa dosha or Saturn dosha or something like that. Post that I started understanding different astrological principles like Bhrigunanda Nadi. I tried understanding it. Then after that, Jaimini Sutras, which I learnt and applied. Then I also tried KP system. The father of KP system is Meena Nadi. Even I have met the Meena Nadi's son, and we had a great discussion in it. So his disciple was Krishnamurti. So KP Paddhati came from Meena Nadi. Many people don't know about it. So almost from last 7 to 8 years, almost it is now 10 years, I started analyzing about this KP. And KP was giving a good accurate result, especially on the timing. Even KP had some setbacks in terms of Parashara system. KP doesn't give any yogas, because yogas are very important as per me, because Yogas will tell us the status, in what status we are in. One good thing about the KP system which I adopted, from that I transformed many things, that they only go about sublord. I didn't add the concept of sublord in it. I had a different view, like making it a good and bad combination. From good and bad combination, I started the hit theory, which is a new system, hit theory, line 1, line 2, line 3. This system will give more accuracy, more pinpointing, the way I show my app. So this I started analyzing, and a confidence came to me that everybody can learn astrology by understanding the basic of Parashara, then adopting the KP system through Nakshatra Nadi. Nakshatra Nadi is little bit different from KP system. They go to sub-lord and all. So I don't go to sub-lord. It's a people in KP also are not predicting properly, 200%. Very few are predicting. They all go by sub-lord, then they go by different system. So I have restricted that, so that not to get into more and combined with Parashara, because Parashara is the base for astrology. So this Parashara, one great thing is, it has given a combination of planets which they call yoga. The yoga is not applicable in our KP system. So applying yoga, which I take up in the higher class, after this basic class, I take higher class for 15 days, where I integrate yogas, I integrate different types of combinations to know the status of the person. Yoga usually tells the status of the person. More the yogas, more the status. But when there is status, people want to know whatever status I am in, whether I am a lower middle class or middle class or upper class or affluent class, whatever it might be. People want to know in each stage, whatever they are in, how is my next? Will I be in the same equilibrium, or will I go down, or will I go up? At least my present scenario is very good. Will it be stable? So people have that event criteria to be known in astrology. Nobody will come and say, very rarely I have seen people, will I get a good job first? Will I get a good girl or a good boy for marriage? Will I marry in time? Will I build a house? Will I make money? There is no specification there. Nobody will come and say, currently you will not be doing anything. Suddenly nobody will come and ask that, will I become Karodpati? No. That is very vague. Nobody will ask that question. Because everybody's mindset will have certain integrated feeling that what is this limitation? The limitation shows that this is the extent I am in terms of status. So that should not be a problem. But whatever status people are in each of their status, they suffer, they enjoy, they regain, they lose. So these are all the parameters which happens in each status. Whether he is a small time vendor on the street, he will have his own pitfalls. He will be thinking more customer, more people walking in. Today I have to make somehow 1,000 rupees, so that at least I can save 400 rupees out of it. So 400 multiplied by 30 days, 12,000. Okay, last month only 8,000 came, this month 12,000. This is the standardization which he keeps. If you go to the next level, those are in the working class, they will have different. I am taking 15,000 salary, next let me go to 25,000. They will not look at, I am taking 15,000, does my chart shows that can I take 2 lakhs? There is some inherent saying or feeling which is as per the Parashara, that there are limitations where the mind itself will say, what are my standards? Within the standard, okay, I am earning 15,000. If I get 40,000, 35,000, okay, excellent, superb. From 15 to 30, 40, super, doubling my salary. For that, how to do? That is what, in that each stage of their status, our astrology, especially the astral science Nakshatra Nadi system, helps them. It will ensure that to maintain their status, our Nakshatra Nadi helps. It doesn't help in making them rich or making them go to the higher status, never. If the horoscope promises, there will be always an indication whether they will go to the next status, higher status, or the status remains same or lower. That is the time they can plan their life very beautifully. There are many people who will be very good working abroad, taking rich salary. Suddenly the dasha changes. They will not be aware of it. They will come back or do something or the other. They will get into business. Whatever hard-earned money, that will go away. The status might not go down because father is also good, mother is also good. They have made a house, the same house, big house, car is there. He would have made more money, but with that money he would have changed to the next level. But the next dasha, which we call it as the next fate, brings him down. So a warning is shown by our astrological prediction. This is shown precisely by Nakshatra Nadi, not by Parashara. So first 6 days to 7 days I will teach about Parashara system. Then later get into the Nakshatra Nadi system, where they can know the education if they are studying. They can know the job, how it is, whether it's good, bad, ugly. Then they can also know whether I have to venture into business or not. Then they can look at married life, whether to take the risk or not to suffer from the married life. Then they look at the property purchase or property time. It is a property good time to purchase, invest with not much of hurdle, so that I can repay all the loans which are being taken, or will I not lose out my home. So all the things over a period of time, based on the dasha system, bhukti system, people can easily identify. Once you identify how your life graph goes by the system of dasha and bhukti, you can definitely draw a line where to stretch your or exert your pressure, where to withdraw your pressure. So this is how our ancient astrologers have taught us that fate of a person cannot be changed. During the course of his life, we can try to alter so that he will not completely go bad. Completely go bad. There should be a saving grace. Knowing early will save him. After the debacle, repair will be very, very difficult, sometimes inevitable. So based on these parameters, this beautiful science given by our ancient astrologers to our present world, many people are not interpreting in the right way. People have their own methodology. Some people go for Prashna Shastram, they use this Kavade Shastram, everything they go. Some people will go for that palm leaves and all, which there is no accuracy in it. Whatever they say, people say it's right and all. There is no pinpointing, or many people say that okay, in palm leaves they said something happened to me. There are all kind of possibilities over there. People go for numerology. Numerology in out of a scale of 1 to 10, I can say 1 point I can give for numerology. With numerology you cannot change anything. Just changing the name or just changing your this one will not change your destiny. No, or it will not change your path also. Because many people know the example of Vijay Mallya. Vijay Mallya, everybody were telling Vijay Mallya total, if you take 23, excellent. But what has happened today? What does the name done? Vijay Mallya. If you total it up, VIJAY MALLYA. If you add each of the numbers, which was 23, earlier people were who are into that segment were telling that it's excellent because of this name. He has gone to that level. He is a flamboyant guy. Everything they said. Now the same name also is there currently. But what is the situation he is facing? So always these kind of numerology, alphabetical thing, many people say it will not work in a very high manner. Not more than 1. In a scale of 1 to 10, not more than 1. In a scale of 1 to 100, not more than 10%. Not more than 10% it works. So I also teach numerology, but I usually tell my students, this doesn't work more than 10%. You can just alter your house number, you can alter your mobile number. So keeping your mobile number doesn't change your life. If that would be the case, everybody would have got a good mobile number and become Karodpati. That is not the case. It will only give some soothing effect of 10% overall. I am not taking each 10%. Overall 10% soothing efficacy it gives, not more than it. Adding to that, numerology, people start believing numerology, they start using numbers. So this number I use, that number I use. Whatever number they use, the status quo remains same. The status quo remains same. People will say, okay, this number, this date of birth, this month, if you put the total, this is the future number, this is the pyramid number, everything they'll put. So I'll get my lucky number. If the interview is scheduled on a date, very good company, they called you for an interview, where somebody would have told you that this number is unlucky. Will you call those people and say, HR people, and say that today is my unlucky day, the date which has come across is not favorable for me, please schedule my interview tomorrow. Then the HR guy will tell, some cranky guy, and they will throw you out. They'll reject your application at all. That is the reason I am telling, you cannot always take this numerology to a larger extent, not more than 10%. If somebody is paying you money on that particular date, if it is very unlucky, people will reject it. If some number is bad, I don't want to tell which number is bad, any number, somebody will say this number is bad for you. Today that date has come, somebody has come and gifted you some good money, this is some incentive or whatever it might be, some bonus or whatever it might be, will you not receive it? You should reject that day also, because that day is bad, that particular date is bad, you have to reject. Will that scenario happen? No, right? Worldwide, on an average, people always receive money at the month end. Worldwide, on an average, predominantly, more than 60% of the population who are in the working class receive based on the month end, which is 30 or 31st. February is exception there. So 30, 31st, irrespective of their dates, they receive money. Ting, they get a message, your salary is credited. So that is 30, 31st. 31st, which boils down to number 4. If 4 is unlucky, on 31st, when you receive a salary credited, will you not be happy on 4th? So what does, if your number 4 is a unhappy date or a very bad number, what happens on 31? Will you tell the finance guys of your company saying that please post my salary on 1st or 29th? They will tell something. So that is not the way. So numerology is, many people are blended to this numerology and they are too much attached to it. This number works, that number works, this mobile number works, that mobile number works, nothing will work. It is only 10%. Take it to my this one, it's only 10%, not more than it. And people also say you should never keep your name with D, you should not keep your name with M, you should not keep your name with T. There are all type of people who are having D good thing, M good thing, T good thing. If you take worldwide, A to Z, A to Z or Z, whatever you call. You have all the good people in A to Z, and you have all the bad people in A to Z. You will have all the rich people in A to Z and all the poor people in A to Z, which starts. Even if you total also, I have given you Vijay Mallya's, what has happened. Even if you total Nirav Modi also, you will get a surprising combination. Even he is also into the same dock. So name doesn't do anything. Our ancient, see, numerology has come somewhere from abroad, somewhere outside, not from India. We have adopted it. Many people from West, basically from Mumbai and all, there are big numerologists. They only talk about numerology. I don't find any greatness in numerology. You have to add a. What has adding a has done there to them, at least? There are very few people who have become great by adding a or adding a Z or adding a B. Nothing. So it's just a temporary relief. It's not a major solution. So I already told Nakshatranadi also has got limitation. The big science, the big Vedic science, where I already mentioned fate of a person cannot be changed. When I already told when the fate of a person cannot be changed, how can a numerology or a alpha numero subject can change? Where we are involving planets here directly, where we involve the dasha system directly, the planets directly based on your time, date, everything. Why is the date taken, date of birth taken? We have made a system. For example, today in the sky we will say that moon is in this position, sun is in this position, Mars is in this position. All the 9 planets are in certain position, certain nakshatra, certain degree, everything. But we have to give a name to it. Today is A, tomorrow is B. But we cannot keep on giving A, B, C, D like that, because we have a vast number of days. So we brought a new system of date system. So if today is one date, it's to identify. It's only to identify, that's it. What has happened in the history long before, what happened in 15th September 1976. Just to mention that history, what happened on that particular day. There is nothing related much with the date of 17 or September or 19, whatever it might be. So all our date of birth is only to capture the data. What was the planetary position, heavenly position in the sky when this particular person was born? When you are born on 10th, or if you are born on an unlucky date of 13th, when you are born on an unlucky day of 17th, whatever it might be. We will take that date to identify the planetary positions. That's it. There is nothing much which does with 17. Our PM comes under the date of 17, which is 8. There are many people talk about 6, which is great. 6 is excellent. 6 is for Venus. Venus gives passion, singing, everything. Our great legend who passed away recently, SP Balasubramaniam, born date is 4. 4. No way people say that it is related with singing. 4, no way they say. If this is 4 is not available, they again go for the totaling number. If there it is not available, they will go for the pyramid number. If there it is not available, then they go for the name. And somewhere they start relating that because of the name, because it started with some alphabet, okay, the combination has come and this is what has happened. Removing one letter, adding one letter, removing one word or adding some other word, or starting a word with a important letter, nothing. Starting with A or starting with V or starting with whatever people like R. People say that you should have a name with A. What is it A? People who have got success, they have not have a letter starting with A. Many people where you can see both ways, success in both ways, materialistic success or spiritual success. You have all the people. If you take our great Rishis, all the names from A to Z are there. If you take the alpha numero subject, you get everything. If you total up there, they have very bad combination numbers, which is not suitable in numerology. Okay, 70 not suitable, but he is still famous. That Rishi who was born here will be famous. You take any scientist. There is no much scope in alpha numero subject. People should not worry about it. I am not telling that don't take it. Please take it. Please consider it. But consider it to the extent of not more than 10% in your life. Not more than 10%. Which will give you some kind of a soothing to you. Okay, I am using a good number. I am using a good mobile number. I am using a good car number. I am using a good house number, which vibrates to me. Once we have that good positive thing vibration, then things will fall in place and you will have a positive mind. It's only creating little bit of a positive mind and some 10% increment in our position. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So based on this, our Nakshatra Nadi will give you almost, you can say that some kind of a 80% accuracy on your date of birth, if your data is correct. And we also have the other option of finding the result through Prashna Shastra, asking a query. Even that also, to a larger extent, it will pinpoint the event. So August 1st, I have my class. So first time I am teaching in English. That is the first batch of English. Already I have completed in Kannada language 86 batches, which one is the last is ongoing. Another 5-6 days are there. With 12,000 people worldwide. 12,000 people worldwide. So take up this subject. You will understand this subject easily. It's not a very difficult subject. Any person who has just passed his 7th standard, just 7th standard, he can also understand this subject and implement in his life. Let me get back to you after a small break. Okay, welcome back. Let me take some call. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I am calling from Mysore.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
And I want to ask about myself only, sir.
Okay.
Date of birth 11/5/1993.
Okay. Time of birth?
Time of birth 12:10 p.m. sir. Afternoon.
Okay. Place of birth?
Mysore, Karnataka, sir.
Done. Yeah, please specify your question, sir.
Sir, I am searching for the job.
Okay.
At what time I will get the job, sir?
Okay. What have you studied, sir?
Sir, Diploma Civil Engineering, sir.
You are looking for a civil engineering job?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Rahu Dasha is running. Rahu and Saturn. Let me look at Rahu. 4 combination, 12 combination. Don't get into any self business. That is the first thing.
Sir.
Rahu has got 8 hit and 4 is there. 4 is also giving you this one. But currently, what is the bhukti is Saturn. Saturn is giving you 6. Yes, Saturn is giving you job. Not to worry. But at present, we have to go for Antar Bhukti, which is very strong. Okay. Mercury, then till April, September, Rahu. Again, Rahu is coming. After Rahu, Guru is coming. Guru will give you a job, sir. Because of 6 in Nakshatra. Okay. After this 18 September, till September you have to wait. Okay. After this 18 September 2021, okay. Jupiter starts. After that, maximum 1 month or 1.5 months you will be in job. To get job, sixth house should be very, very important, and chant the mantra Om Som Somaya Namaha, and wear one orange color thread to your right hand. Kindly donate curd every Friday for next 3 months, and also yeah, curd is one is enough, nothing to worry. But 12th house is important for construction. You will get a job, sir. Post August, you will get a job. Within September, you will be in job. Not to worry. Good luck. Namaste. Good evening.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Om Brahma Brahmaspati Namaha. Om Guru Deva Bhava.
Tell me, sir. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm going to Prashna Sastra.
Okay.
Sir, today actually I'm planning to sell my property.
Today? Time is
I mean from last 6 months.
Six
But
months.
today is executed. But unfortunately, due to some third party words, it was not happened due to his words.
Okay.
Okay.
Where
some
are you
people,
selling
there
your
are no
property?
mediators.
Tell me one
Like we
number
call brokers.
okay. Tell me one number from 1 to 249. 249.
1 to 249, right? 23. Hello?
Yeah, I'm just checking. Wait.
Okay, sir, okay.
Mars is getting over by 2012. Let me see the Mars. Okay, there is 10, 9 and 10. Mars selling combination 3, 5, 10, 11 should come. 3 is there, 10 is there, 11 is there, 12 is there. The last bhukti. Next we have to go to Rahu. So let us see the present combination Dasha Mars. Sale of property 3, 11, 12. So there is showing sale of property with medium result. The Dasha is showing. Let me come to Buddha Bhukti. The Bhukti is not letting you because there is purchase of property 4 which is pulling you, and there is 310. And finally Antar Bhukti 312 which is also low. So let me go to the next combination, which is you are in the last fag end. Let me go to Antar Bhukti. Where is 4, 11, 12, 3, 11, 12. Buddha is coming. Saturn, Mercury, Ketu, Shukra. Saturn, Ketu, 3, 11, 12. Yes. Medium. Okay. Ketu will give. Everything is low. Medium, 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 low. Mercury doesn't have anything. Ketu. Sir, in Ketu Bhukti, Antar Bhukti, you will get a party. This year, October, you will be getting a party. Got it, sir? This year, October, you will be getting a party. Currently, you had Rahu, Antar Bhukti, which was running currently. Because of that 4 combination, purchase of property, and 312, which was low, you are not able to succeed. There is 3, 11, 12 in sale of property, especially in Ketu, where 11 will give you profits. October, you will get a party, and they will give you a token to you, token advance to you. Nothing to worry. Good luck, sir. Namaste. Good evening. Hello. Please speak.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, madam. Tell me.
Sir, I am from Chanpatna.
Okay.
I want to ask my education. What about next? I completed now second PU.
Okay.
So I want to ask about what I want to choose in future.
Okay. Already you have done your second PUC, right?
Yes, sir.
What combination you have taken? Commerce or science?
No, science, PCMB.
PCMB. So you are not looking to go for engineering or other stream?
No, I want to, like, I am interested in BNYS.
Mm-hmm.
So it's good.
What is that? What is that? B?
BNYS.
Okay. Tell me. Yoga.
Yes, yoga and naturopathy.
I got it. Okay. Tell me. For yoga, you should have 8 combination, 11 combination, and 12 combination. Let me look at it, and I'll tell you. Tell me your date of birth.
Sir.
Date of birth.
11/4/2003.
11?
4. 2003.
2003. Time of birth.
2:10 p.m.
Place of birth.
Bangalore.
Bangalore. So now you are staying in Chanpatna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your ascendant is Cancer, and your moon sign is also Cancer, Pushya Nakshatra. So currently Mercury Dasha is going across. Under Mercury, Jupiter is taking place. Mercury has got 8th house, which is for yoga, very good. And after Mercury, Ketu, which is at 4 of teaching and 11 of teaching. You can learn and you can teach. Shukra also, there is 12 and 11. You will excel in this field. You will excel in this field from Shukra. So probably from 2031, you will be famous. You will be famous worldwide, madam. Take up this. Really, I am telling you, take up this. 12th house and 11. Because Venus is very powerful. It is showing off 8th house, which gives yoga, 12th house, and the last one, which is success, 11th house. Excellent combination. Kindly take up this without fail. You will win. But there is your winning will start from 2024 onwards, because Ketu is also powerful. There 12 is also there. You can definitely 8-11 is coming. 8-11 combination, 8-11. Excellent. You will become famous. Please don't leave this opportunity. Good luck. Next.
Hello.
Namaste. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, namaste. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir,
Ramesh
yeah.
here from Bangalore, Matikere.
Yeah.
So I have to ask for my son.
Which place in Bangalore?
Bangalore, Matikere.
Matikere. Okay. Nearby
Yes.
to our office. Okay. This
Yeah,
office.
date of birth.
Shankar office.
Hello.
Yeah, date of birth.
Yeah, 24
Okay.
7
Hmm.
1995.
1995. Time of birth?
Time of birth, night 11 o'clock, 16 minutes and 53 seconds.
Place of birth? Bangalore?
Place of birth, Bangalore.
Okay. What is the question, sir?
Now he has completed BE, sir, in RV College, Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
Now he wants to go to US for further studies or job. So how it is work? So due to Corona,
Mm-hmm.
I mean last year he was about to go.
Okay. Jupiter Dasha is showing a combination of 312. 312 should be there for travel. 3912, 312 combination is there. He will definitely go abroad as per the Dasha system. Currently, Ketu is there. Anyway, any time before January, the time is very, very favorable. Because Ketu is the planet which drives away from home. Even if there is no combination, Ketu drives us away from home. Again, Shukra is mild, but third house is been there. And he can definitely plan by maximum this year end. Maximum this year end, he will get into going there abroad, and for studies also it is very good. Abroad combination is very, very strong, because always we have to look at 12th house, which is for abroad, and Jupiter Dasha completes by 2030, and Jupiter is having 12th house and 3rd house combination, which shows going abroad, working. 3912, 312, which is also hit here in line 2 and line 3. So I don't see any issue in going there. He'll get visa, and even passport also will be already done, I believe. Visa will be getting aramse. Nothing to worry, sir. It will not be delayed much. He'll go there. At least post, okay, by 22 only it will happen. Nothing to worry. If you go to the Antarbhukti also, I can predict before 22 June to August. Finally, next year August he'll be outside. Good luck. Namaste. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Tell me, sir.
Guruji, I'm calling from Bangalore.
Yeah, tell me.
I want to ask, in job, I'm not getting any satisfactory result. Every time there is some obstacles in job.
Okay.
So I'm asking regarding business.
Business. You want to get into business?
Yeah.
Okay.
Means
Tell
in
me-
future, what,
Uh-huh.
how will it help? How will it help in me for business? That I'm asking.
Don't worry, don't worry. Tell me your
Okay.
date of birth.
My date of birth is 29/4/1988.
Time of birth.
1:17 p.m. Friday it is. 29/4/1988.
Okay, 1317. Okay. Place of birth.
Okay. Place of birth is Bhatkal.
Bhatkal. Uttara Kannada, Karnataka, Kannada. Bhatkal, yeah. Same place.
Uttar Kannada Jilla, yes,
Okay,
Patkal.
okay. Right. Currently, let me see what is the dasha you are running.
Hmm.
Your Cancer ascendant born with Hasta Nakshatra, Virgo
Yes.
moon sign.
Hmm.
Currently, Rahu Dasha is just completed by the fag end of 2020 or the start of
Yes.
2020.
Yes. Hmm.
Jupiter Dasha is just started, and Jupiter Bhukti is yet to complete by January this year
Hmm.
end, next year, this year end.
Okay.
So how is Jupiter 9, 11, 8 at the hit theory? Let me see the combination. 6, 9, 4, 11, 5, 7, 8. There is 8 hit. What kind of business you want to do?
Means, I don't know what business, but will it be successful? I will try at that time when the money comes in. At that time, I will think what to do. I don't have that idea also. What business will click for me? Means the time when money comes, I will try to invest, but will it be successful? Anything
Insurance
like that?
field is very good.
Ah,
Agriculture is very good. Agriculture product is very good. Petroleum product, oil product,
ah.
granite product, all this will
Hmm.
be very good if you take up that line. Okay. Anything apart from this will not be good for business. Because for the business purpose, we have the same combination for business also, job and business. Very high combination is there for business. Even the loss also is indicated low loss, but the success rate is medium in business. So since it is medium, you have to think whether to venture based on your age, then the money available, everything. But what line you have to go? Already you are at 34 age, but the Jupiter Dasha is giving you a little bit of obstacles at the end. So to reduce your obstacles, I would suggest to donate radish every Saturday for at least 3 months, and occasionally post that whenever you find time on Saturdays, you just donate radish. Your obstacles, your sudden hindrances will come down. This should get nullified. Okay, good luck. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Sir, this is from Chimoga.
Yeah,
Sir, I want to ask about my brother.
okay.
His date of birth is 5
5,
10
10,
95.
1995. Time,
6:11 a.m.
place of birth.
Shumaga.
Yeah, question please.
Sir, I want to ask his job, sir. Whether he get government job or not.
Is looking for government job.
Yes, sir. In next month, he is having on 18th maybe one exam is there for him.
Okay, let me try. Is the government job promised? In Kaspal, let me see the combination in Kaspal. Not sure, but under the Kaspal, the third and fourth criteria, there is huge chances in terms of getting a government job. Let me see at the hit theory. The hit theory should show 10 and 11. No, it's not showing very strongly. Let me look at the Dasha, Jupiter Dasha, and currently till 2022 February, Mercury. Jupiter has having 10 and Mercury is having 10, 11. There is a chance before 22 with lot of struggle and trial. Okay?
Okay.
So I suggest him to 10 is there, Surya, and 12 is there. Okay, ask him to wear one 4-face Rudraksh. Okay, and one amethyst to his right hand middle finger. Before 2022, the chances are very strong, because then afterwards Ketu not promoting, Shukra no 10, Sun only 11. So 10, 11 has been heralded in the Mercury combination, and the hit is not strong. The hit should be 10 or 11. Mercury hitting the 5, and there is a chances of job of 6. The chances are quite nearing it, but the success will not be so great, but a lot of effort, trial should be done. Not a easy cakewalk for government job. But anyway, try it, I suggest. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Hello, I am from Mysore, Guruji.
Yeah.
My son is your student, Guruji. Now, this batch, 85th batch.
Oh, 86. Okay. Morning or evening?
86, evening batch.
Okay, great. How is the
Today you
subject
did
he's
not
feeling?
take the class, yeah.
Sorry?
Hello.
Yeah.
Today there was no classes, no? Today.
Yeah. I was busy, little
Yeah.
busy. I was outside.
Mm. It is very nice class, Guruji.
You are also sitting in
You
the
are
class?
taking- Yeah, I and my sisters.
You are enjoying?
Yeah.
Do you feel
Madam,
confident on this subject?
Yeah, very confident. My son is very interested now.
What is his age?
Starting he was hesitating to join.
Okay.
Now he is very interested.
All the youngsters, I am telling, those who are watching this program currently,
Yeah.
most of the youngsters, they feel that
Yeah.
this subject is something false, something
Yeah.
which is not real, unrealistic subject. Once
Yeah.
they start learning, they will
Yeah,
understand the beauty of this, and they will not leave the subject. I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to train all the youngsters so that they start believing our Hindu system,
Thank you
Hindu
so much,
astrology
Guruji.
system.
Thank you, Guruji.
That is
He
what
is a
I am
last
very
student.
happy that nobody today, especially
Yeah.
the youth, are not getting into the astrology subject at all. And it is
Yeah,
only kept to some few people who are into the priesthood, those who have by default taken astrology as their profession, and
Yeah.
very minimal people, where for a living they are doing.
Yeah.
And through this, the youngsters are actually not able to understand the subject or apply or believe it. Only the
Yeah.
parent put pressure that, okay, you have some dosha or some other bad problem,
Yeah.
you do puja, and they will never do that. Once they
Yes,
understand by studying this, then they will say, there is a bad time, there is a down
Yeah.
time, and I have to
Yeah.
chant something, I have to donate something, then they will start
Yeah,
involving.
yeah.
Because
Yeah.
their problematic time and the astrological timeline matches. That
Yeah,
is where they start believing it. That is what he would
Yeah,
have experienced it. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Anyway, good luck. Thank you for
Thank you, Guruji.
for this. Okay, whom should I check?
Problem for him, Guruji.
Yeah.
He is having a dandruff problem, seborrheic dermatitis.
Okay.
His date of birth, shall I tell?
Nothing to worry. It will go. Tomorrow
It
you are
will
in
go.
class, right?
Yeah.
Ask him to highlight. Okay.
Okay.
I will help him out. And is he having a lot of hair fall?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't worry for this astrological calculation. It will definitely go. I have a mantra. I will give him. And if he believes my subject and believes me, within 3 months it will go. Within 3 months. Okay. Next time you should call me and say whatever problem you are facing has gone. Okay. Next time you will call me and say about this. Okay. Don't worry about this astrological thing here. Okay. Let me give you a small piece of some kind of a remedy. People nowadays say, my family is not working, most of the people are lethargy, only I work a lot, the homemaker will say, and the head of the family will say, only I work a lot. There are a lot of other people, they just sit, chat, then only I have to keep on working and feeding them. There is no productivity from the home front. For having more productivity and for the family members to get engaged in their day-to-day activity, the bull helps them. The bull helps them. As per the Vastu Shastra, the north side is a very powerful growth sector, opportunity sector, some kind of a inertia, what I can say, inertia sector. When you activate the north segment of your living room, or the living area, or the hall which you call, or the veranda, or whatever you call, the big space, when you activate that in the north segment by keeping a metallic, any metal for the matter, don't keep any plastic or don't keep any mud based or POP based bull over there. It will not actually give the vibration. Just I will put a picture across you on the screen. Just you can have a visual of this. This has to be placed in such a way, the south and north combination has to be checked out, which side to place. I will give you the next picture where you can see where it has to face across, the south face. That means the back should go to the north. People usually keep in the wrong way. People sometimes keep in the south north direction, or the east west direction, or the west east direction. Always the bull should face the south direction. Its back should face the north direction. So placing this bull in the northern wall facing south will help the entire people within the family to be active, to be prosperous, and some kind of a workaholic. People who are lazy, who are lethargic, they will start working, they will start thinking about new projects, they will work in that manner that there is more productivity in the family. This bull also helps to maintain the health of the family, because always the health sector, bad health starts emanating from the south end. So this south end of the living area, wherever it might be, will always transfer into the northern side and affect the people. So always this is not the right. People keep it on the south and show to the north. This is not the right. Always the face of the bull should go towards the south. This is what the correction. This is the corrected one which I am showing you clearly. Keeping this will definitely help in prosperity, in keeping the family intact, and helping them to take up new projects and ensure that everybody are harmonious and working together. Nobody is idle at home. Then there will be happiness, there will be good interaction within the family, and there will also be very good health, robust health by this. These are all small things. I cannot say that okay, somebody is suffering from cancer, you keep a bull, it will go away. No, that not in that way. These are all small things which adds. Just like with a pickle, you can't have your entire food. Just having one pickle, you can't have your entire food. Pickle is just to taste it. By that tasting, you will have some good enjoyment. So these small things are like pickles, which gives some taste to our life and which adds to the beauty. How the pickle adds to the beauty of the food what we eat and the taste. So the same way, these small things adds to the taste of our life. That's about it today. Please kindly join for the August class. There will be 2 classes, morning and evening. You can select any batch. And first time I am teaching in the English medium. And those who are outside Karnataka, or those who don't know Kannada, or any other people who are staying in Karnataka also can join this class, and they can learn this subject in 15 days. And as somebody was just called me, my recent student, they told how is the subject excellent. Even the youngsters start loving this. I would request the youngsters to join this subject, join this class and learn this subject, and they can see their path, beautiful path ahead of them. Good luck, all the best. Good night. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.